Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I am looking at this Nutrizing Organic Pea Protein. I have literally just got back from the gym and I thought I'd give this a go and do it live on camera so you guys can see what my initial reaction is to this protein and see how good it is really. Now this is a pea-based protein powder, which means it's got all 21 amino acids, it's great for vegans, it's GMO free, all that kind of good stuff. And for every 30 gram serving you get 24 grams of protein, which is pretty good. So I got this off Amazon, so I'll leave a link below which has got more details in there. Just to show you on the bag what you see, 100% natural. This is unflavoured, so I don't mind having unflavoured protein powder, but you could add some cocoa powder or something else to this if you want to flavour it up a bit. And you can see it's made in the UK and it's got over 33 servings, so it's over a month's supply. And that's some of the information on the back. That's about it really. So let's get this opened up and I'll get it mixed up. I've got some water here. I'm just going to mix it up in the shaker. I'm not putting it in a blender or anything. So I'll mix it up and show you what I think. Luckily, which is very rare for a protein powder, the actual scoop is at the top, which is pretty good. So I don't have to fish for that. So I'm just going to give that a little bit of a tap and a shake off to get one level scoop and stick that into my water. I'm gonna have to do this off camera. I'm gonna have to shake this up, so give me a sec. Okay, so I've literally just stuck this in the bottle, so it's just there in a minute. I'm gonna give it a shake up. I'm not expecting this to taste great because it's unflavoured, but you'll get the general idea, see what the consistency is like. So that's shaking up now. It's got a little bit of a froth or a head to it. And tastes pretty good, to be fair. I mean, I say it tastes pretty good. For me, that's completely fine and palatable. It hasn't got any flavour. It tastes a little bit like milk, I guess, but with a bit more of a textured flavour to it, a bit more powdery. But that's completely fine. I mean, to get, 24 grams of protein for one serving, full amino acid spectrum, I think that's really, really good. But if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. Hope you find this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'll catch you in the next video.